Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with Jay. In this tutorial we're gonna learn what is Node.js, why Node.js, where Node.js and installing a Node application in our Windows system. After that we will see how to run our first Node application in our Windows system. Now let's move and see. So here we're gonna learn what is Node.js. So Node.js is an open source JavaScript runtime environment. What do you mean by JavaScript runtime environment? Is nothing but where we will execute a JavaScript code. Node.js is written in C++. Now we can run a JavaScript code on server side by using a Node.js. The second question pop-ups in our mind is Node.js is a framework or a programming language. So Node.js is not a framework nor a programming language but a runtime open source development platform where we can execute a JavaScript code on server side. Express.js is a framework which used to run in a Node.js. Why to choose Node.js? Because Node.js has huge numbers of utility written in JavaScript for a web developer such as Webpack, Bible, Express.js. These are the framework helps the developer to create their website or application so simply and fastly. The next question comes in our mind that the Node.js can connect with the multiple databases such as MySQL, MongoDB, etc. Node.js run on a single-threaded, non-blocking and asynchronously. In 4 point, we will see how to install Node application in Windows operating system, and finally we will see our Hello World program. So now let's move and see. So for download we need to visit a node.org.js. This is the official website of Node.js. So here we need to click on the Node.js URL. After clicking, we will redirect it to the official website of Node.js. So here we have two options for a download. One is for LTS and another one for current version. So we will download a LTS version because it's a latest version which is a stable version for a development purpose. So as of now I have already downloaded and installed my systems. For verifying we need to go to command prompt and type node space v hyphen v. So it will give the latest version of a Node.js. So it is clearly verified that the Node version installed in our Windows operating system. For creating our first program, I need to move on D drive, and here so in D drive I have already created a Node.js tutorial folder. In that tutorial folder, now let's open this folder on VS Code. For opening we need to go on CMD, type codes dot, and after file folders opens we need to create a file. uh, let's say first program dot js, and in that file we need to type console dot log and write hello world, and go to the top of the menu and click on terminal and select a new terminal. After selecting, the terminal will be open at the bottom of the screen, and here we need to type node sorry node space and the file name first program. Click tab and it will, once we enter, it will print hello world. So here we have run our first Node.js program. Now let's see a summary in a minute. So within a first fifth point we will see a summary in a minute. So what is Node.js we have learned, and is Node.js is a framework or programming language, why Node.js to choose, download and install, and finally we have seen hello world program. So in this tutorial we have learned these are the points. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.